Cat baby kitten, dog baby puppy, cow baby calf, tiger baby calf, elephant baby calf, lion baby calf, deer baby fawn, horse baby foal, donkey baby foal, zebra baby foal, bear baby calf, camel baby calf, rhinoceros baby calf, sheep baby lamb, duck baby duckling, chicken baby chick, crow baby chick, parrot baby chick, sparrow baby chick, eagle baby eaglet, pig baby piglet, eagle baby eaglet, peacock baby peacock, owl baby owlet, goat baby kid, rabbit baby kid, nightingale baby chick, woodkeeper baby chick, insects baby name, a spider baby spiderling, ant baby larva, mosquito baby larva, fly baby larva, honeybee baby larva, lizard baby hatchling, grasshopper baby nymph. A no by M P H. Crocodile baby hatchling, dolphin baby calf, hippopotamus baby calf, shark baby pup, tortoise baby hatchling, octopus baby larva. Noun, what is noun? Noun is understanding the name of persons and things. Kinds of noun, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, materialist noun and abstract noun. Subhash is the brilliant boy, Subhash proper noun, the cow gives us milk, cow common noun. Collective noun, student, army, materialist noun, the gold is a valuable metal, gold. Materialist noun, abstract noun, was, hure, was in the condition no more, hure, we have won the match. Was, hure. Abstract noun. Proper noun is understand. It understand the instead of the noun. Ram is going to the school. He is going to the school. Verb understand the working or action. He is sleeping. She is swimming. Sleeping, swimming, verb.